back to another video. It's your girl Glow and I'm back with a new slave. So for today's look, we'll be using a wig that I received from Yolissa Hair. This is like my third, fourth, fifth time working with them. I really love their quality. It's super affordable. The quality is always amazing. So the wig that I'll be showing you guys today is a 13x4 body wave wig. It's 20 inch, 180% density. The wig does come pre-plucked with baby hairs all around the frontal, and the longest length that you could get in this hair is a 36 inch. Honestly, I don't even know why I didn't get a 36. Like, what was I thinking? I guess I wanted to do something really natural, really soft, really short. Girl, no, I should have done 36. But anyways, that's the longest length that you could get. I mean, like, body width and 36, girl, I definitely think y'all should get the 36 if you're getting this wig. So yeah, that's pretty much everything that you need to know about this wig. So I already had unboxed it. I will insert a clip next after this. That comes in the box. So let's go ahead and get into the wig. So it also came with this little silk bag right here, which I kept. So I actually washed the wig. Like, I washed it, deep conditioned it, air dried, so to have it nice and fresh and ready to go. So this is what the wig looks like after me washing it, deep condition it. And as you guys can see, the wig still looks in great quality. It looks super soft and shiny after I washed it. So that's how you know it's great quality. I actually already wore the wig. I forgot that part. I actually had it like professionally installed. But I wanted to show you guys how it also looks when I installed it. But it looked so bomb when I got it installed. It was super natural looking. The hair texture was really nice. The lace is bomb. The fact that after that, like, it was glue all over it and I washed it, deep conditioned it, and it still looks really healthy, really shiny, girl. That's how you know it's great quality. But anyway, so this is what the inside of your wig gonna look like. It comes with combs on the inside, right here on the bottom, adjustable straps. The wig does come pre-plucked, but my hairstylist did pluck the lace even more. So yeah, like I said, I washed the wig. This is what it looks like, and she's gorgeous. So let's go ahead and get into this install. I'm gonna do a very simple, you guys know me, I keep everything very effortless, very simple. So let's go ahead and get into it. I'm gonna do a side part. I'm gonna try to like style it exactly how my stylist had. If not, I'm gonna, like, you know, play with it and do like something really cute, different. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into this install. I will see you guys once I'm done. yeah, so this is the final look. As you guys can see, it came out looking so good. Like, I'm obsessed. It looks so bomb, you guys. I honestly didn't know I had it in me, because it's been a minute since I done my hair. Like, it's been like a whole month or two of me just getting like professional installs, so I didn't know that I still had it in me. But girl, I still got it, period. It came out looking so good, you guys. Like, oh my goodness, the curls are still really tight. It's like an hour later, because of course I had to get dressed and like take videos and pictures and all that, so it's like a whole hour later and the curls are still very much holding. Looks gorgeous. I'm just obsessed with it. I'm glad I went with the side part, because I feel like when you get a short length like 20-inch, you might as well do a side part, because it's gonna look so much better and classy and very natural because it's a short length. I'm glad I did the side part, but I'm just obsessed with the way this looks. As you guys can see, it looks super shiny, really soft, especially after I wash it. It's like it got even softer and like thicker. So yeah, I'm really obsessed with the way it looks. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys love this look as much as I do, because girl, I'm like obsessed, like obsessed. So yeah, if you're interested in purchasing this wig, make sure you check out Yolissa Hair. I will have their link down below, the link to the wig, their store, everything that you need to know. Thank you guys so much for watching. And yeah, we'll catch you guys in my next tutorial.